Hi crafters, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and I am super excited to bring to you today a small little project share here that I just made using my Cricut Maker and also Cricut brand papers. So I wanted to show you guys what I've done. It is just for a little happy mail that I'll be sending out, and I have had this cartridge since it was actually sold as a little physical cartridge that you would have to put into your Cricut machine. So it's been a while and I haven't used it in quite a long time. So I'm super happy to have brought that out of hiding. And here's what I made. I'm going to share here this 4x4 card. And this is just using several different color pink and black and blue papers. The blue cardstock there is really nice and heavy also, as well as the black. And I did top Hello Kitty's bow with about 5 different sequins there, just to give her some shine. Then the inside looks like that. Super sweet. And then that image there that you see first in the blue and then in the white, I did cut out with a Sizzix brand die. The rest, of course, is all done with the Maker. So here is Hello Kitty, and I think she is just so gorgeous. So what I did, of course, is bling her out a bit, make her shiny, bring her into 2021. And then what I also did is that I made a box. So let me show you the profile here, and then I'll explain what I've done. So I did stitch around the paper. I added the gems with the pearls and everything. And what I wanted to do was to create a nice sturdy box that could be placed on a desktop, just like that, left out to decorate, and that would fit what I wanted to give the recipient. So first I wanted to share some sequins. This is a mix that I recently hauled from Lady Cree here on YouTube. She's also on Instagram, and she's got quite a lot of different types of sequins and beads and things you can buy. So I thought this was very appropriate for next month being Breast Cancer Awareness Month, that she could craft with that. And then in here, you're going to see all that I could fit. And of course, there's even room for more. But I'm going to be packaging this, and that's why I just left it like this to show in the video. But it'll be nicer than that when it's sent in the mail. So let's begin here. Here's little Hello Kitty as a cheerleader. I did pop up her little pom-pom, so I did double that up and then added some stickles there. And here some Nuvo drops to match her little bow. Super sweet. I did ink around a lot of the different parts of the paper, and then here the little snowman. I got so happy and excited making this that I actually cut these pieces out by hand with felt, and then I topped it off with Nuvo drops just because I thought that would be nice and soft and really sweet. And so you see the dimension. They are all, by the way, backed up with black chipboard. So this is nice and sturdy. It can be put right onto a project immediately or used on top of a card. And this one's got the little flower here, another little sequin there in the center. This was from, I think, Hobby Lobby that I picked up those little flowers. And then this one has a sequin, and you can stamp on the center of this little heart, or you could just write some initials there if you wanted to. This one here has a little pink bow that was also from the haul from Lady Cree, and then I did add a little pink gemmy there, and then little yellow gemmies for her little pads on her paw. And then here she's got the little umbrella, super sweet, in the yellow and blue. And this is also part of the collection of images, so I did machine stitch on here and added little sequins, and this is ink. I did ink around some of it. And then the little butterfly I stitched, I hand stitched the little heishi beads there to give some dimension and texture. Super fun. And the strawberry here, I did add some stitching, the little green flower and the little beads there to resemble the seeds. And that is a full collection of items that will be included here. I just thought it'd be fun to include them. I hope that you have enjoyed this very short video, and let me know what you think of these items. Leave me a comment below. I'm very curious to find out whether or not this is something that appeals to you as well. What do you think of it? All right, let me know, and I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.